onto I-180 West.
Yo, so what time is it? 5:20. Me and Edgar, he's over there, and Jaden. We're about to go to New York to look at this actually, you know what? Not even about to say it yet. But we're gonna look at a car, basically. My potential new car. So yeah, we're about to head out. Everything's all done. Let's go.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months. Had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your babe on the run, like I'm Jay-Z in this bitch. I'll smoke.
Alright, I don't even know where we are. Oh, it says over there, Lewis Township.
Oh, it's Lewistown.
Lewistown, there we go. We're in Lewistown.
Damn.
Huh?
He's not here.
Lewis, how? Oh shit. How you not here for your own town, bro?
The bed,
Sit in the bed. Look at that view. Damn. But yeah, we stopped for some drinks, food. Damn. Car's looking nice right now. Oh, I'm getting hyped, bro. Only 3 more hours. Woo. Keep you updated. We just got to the meetup location. He said he's like 5 minutes away. Oh my gosh, my car is looking. What the heck? What is this? Edgar's car made it. He just washed the car. Oh, look at these though. The wheels on this one? But yeah, seems like, I don't know. At first I thought it was a home address. I was like, there's no way it's a home address. Like, no one's gonna do that. But, oh my gosh. Part out coupe. Part out sedan. Damn, these wheels, SSR. I like the color a lot. It's a part out shit. I'll buy the fucking, I don't know, emblem. This is clean. Whew. I wonder what's under that. We'll tap in when the guy pulls up. That boy cold. That boy cold. It wasn't too bad of a drive though, to be honest. No. It kind of felt quick. After the 2-hour mark, it kind of started to feel quicker. Once we like got into Pennsylvania time. Whew. Damn, the hydro. One day. I'm gonna have it one day. Nice shop though. It's pretty sick. We gotta start doing this. Anyway, the deal is commencing. This is it. I didn't even show them yet. Nice, nice. Guy over here doing an M60 swap. I wonder if this was rattle can. Huh? What's up, yo? Sorry for all the background noise, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, all right? We have an Instagram. We just made it. It's __ Yoru no Kage on Instagram. So it's @ __ Yoru no Kage. It should be the first thing you see pop up. We're going to be posting teasers on the stories. You're going to see nice behind pictures of the Beam, the Mazda, the 2 Civics. And yeah, we're definitely going to post some behind the scenes content too, though. So don't forget to follow that. Link will be in the bio. Don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the video.
Fucking stupid. Yeah, Pod Mazda owner. Might as well.
Yes, sir. All right, this is the whip. It's a 2003 28i. I'm just a BMW head in general. I just think BMWs are a master race. But yeah, so this car, it's already on BC coilovers and has a short shifter. A few things that's wrong with it already though is wipers. I need some fucking wipers. Like, I think I'll have to stop at AutoZone for some new wipers instantly. ASAP. Tint, that's gotta get removed for inspection. Tint, I have to remove the tint for inspection. Let's see. I think these are E36 wheels though. Oh, the front end is actually really nice. Just a small dent right here. And then other major issue, some scrapes right here. And then here. But the guy gave me a free, or I guess free, fender replacement. So have to color match that. Huh?
Need to fix the trunk too.
Oh yeah, the trunk. Bro, I'm so scared of this grill falling off. I want to take it off. I need an alignment bad. I need a bad, yeah. I can't be. Oh yeah, gotta fix the trunk. So maybe I'll just change the color. Wrap it? Yeah, fuck it. We might have to wrap it. We gonna wrap it. Cause I honestly like this color. And if I can update it, it'll be perfect. But yeah.
Bro, this cold.
Yo, this cold up here in buttfuck nowhere. Dude, this man's running with shorts on. What the fuck? Nah, it's cold. Like the wind factor makes it so much colder. Look at the little line of going, yo. Shit. Lewis, where you at, man? Shoulda came. Damn. I'm a BMW owner. You about to see me in the streets. I've been waiting for this E46 for a while. So yeah, we just took a nap. Excuse me, like 35 minutes. I'm still kind of tired, but I want to get out of here. I don't want to be driving in the nighttime. Yeah, well, I'd at least like to be just about out of Pennsylvania. Yeah, I'd love to be just about out of Pennsylvania before I do anything else. Or see, I'm tired. I don't even know what I'm saying. I like to be just out of Pennsylvania before it gets dark. Yeah. Like, hopefully I could get the Gettysburg around that area before it gets too dark. I think this car, I haven't hit like high speeds. I've only hit like 50, and the steering wheel is wobbling a bit. So like I said, it definitely needs an alignment. Definitely will update on like the highway when I'm going like 70. Hopefully it's not too bad, but yeah. I'm just waiting on Jaden right now. He's finishing up an application. After that, we roll out. Edgar looks like he's ready. His eyes are closed, but he's ready for whenever, like, you know, he's ready whenever. But yeah, man, that's it. Oh, let me show you something. So yeah, this is like the short shifter that I got. Like, it's pretty cool. But like, that works, right? But then I do that, kind of stays over there. You know? So, what's up? See, you see that? Like, I'm in fourth, but it still like moves over. It's so weird. And then fifth. Yeah, it's whatever. And on top of that, oh shit. Rest in peace, the boys. But on top of that, the auto up and down on this, like right here, it doesn't have door frames. The auto down doesn't work. So I kind of have to roll it down a little bit before I close it. Which I don't even think I rolled it down enough. Oh yeah, I did. So yeah. And it's worse on the passenger side, so. BMW boys. Oh, and I need a new key. The other one doesn't have the BMW sticker in it. What's up, guys? Mick here again in the editing booth. How's it going? Just want to say once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I urge you to like, because you know it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe, you know, comment, all of that. I'm so hyped to show you what my plans are for the BMW. That's been one of my dream cars, like, since I was way younger. I think it's my favorite silhouette, I think, of BMW 3 Series. And I'm just really excited that I'm finally able to get my hands on one. Hope you guys stay tuned. We're obviously still going to be doing stuff with Edgar's and Lewis's cars. We have a little surprise happening with Edgar's car, the 10th gen. That's gonna be sweet. He's gonna be so much faster. That's exciting. And yeah, just, you know, like, subscribe, comment, you know, share, all of that. BMW gang, peace out.